Sucky, get out of the way. Watch him. What are you doing?
What is it, Bubba?
What is that? Is that water?
Oh.
Oh, lick it.
Look at Paul. He's walking in it.
Look at Paul. Paul's all in his boots.
Look at Paul. Look.
I used to have some blue.
Where's your boot? Huh? Where's your boot? Where's your boot? Ah!
Dawson loves to play in the water.
Where's your boots at, Bub? Here, John. Here.
What are you doing? Trying to put his face in it.
Ain't gonna get him a drink.
That's funny. I keep waiting for him to go head first over in it.
Play in the water.
I bet it's cold.
No,
Say, not the feet. Not the feet.
Ollie bug. What are you doing? What are you?
Oh, it's going to fall in it. It's all over his face. Yeah.
What are you doing?
What is that? He's getting Mimi wet. That dog.
She likes to play.
He said, he likes
He is
that.
having himself a ball.
Make a pancake. A patty cake. Make you a patty cake in there.
Mud pie.
Gotta have swimming lessons.
Look at
Watch it.
He's about to come on out in here.
Go see Paul. No, don't play with that.
That's
Let it
unplugged,
go.
isn't it?
No, it ain't. It's not on. It's on.
Unplug it, please. Thank you.
Oh.
Hey, Bud.
What's that?
That's thunder.
What's that?
Yeah, Johnston hears it.
He got a face full
He
that
splashed
time.
it in his face, yeah.
Go see Paul.
Come on.
Ollie, go see Paul.
Come out here. Come on. Come on.
Go see Paul.
Come see me. Come on. No, Daddy.
What is it with him not wanting his feet to touch the grass?
Something about he don't like his hands to touch the grass either.
Okay. Got some time for us to go in, huh?
You're muddy.
I gotta get a towel for her.
Throw it in the water. Throw it in the water. Throw it in the water. Here.
Uh-oh.
Don't do
That was
it.
an accident. He said I didn't mean to.
His bubble is all swelled up.
Y'all don't know what did him?
I don't know what it was. It wasn't big when I seen it
When did you see it?
yesterday.
That ain't where he got a shot at, is it?
No.
You get to be dirty.
What you doing?
I'm gonna need to get washed off.
Put him out there, Cameron.
He does not want to.
Put him like out there where it's not steep.
Come on. Go see Paul.
Go out there. You okay? Go. He's just scared.
He does not want.
He don't want
Look.
the grass to touch him.
Get him past the deep water.
It's
Just jump him out there.
That's better. That is so cute. He's just a stomping.
Isn't that cute? Come this way. Come this way.
oh, poop.
Step up. Watch out.
He's trying to.
Now see if he'll step off.
Oh, look at that.
Come on. Come
He
on.
says, I'm coming. I'm coming.
Doesn't like that deep water. Come on.
That is so cute.
Now that rose bush will bite.
Oh, yeah.
It'll bite you. You wouldn't believe this in what? End of December?
I know.
Look at Paul and Jocelyn down there.
Over here.
Listen to him growling.
Come this way.
That's a mud pie.
Ollie.
Oh, I hope it wasn't poop.
Come here. Come down here. Right then.
Look at this one.
Don't let him fall in that hole. He sees Paul.
He thinks
Sees
his paw.
Paul. Here.
I know. He's going to be sick and we're going to all be to blame for it.
Lord, you right here. He's just having fun.
Look, he is so cute. He picks up those crawfish mud piles. Don't let him step off in that drainage hole. That would be like Little House on the Prairie trying to dig a kid out of a well.
No, that's like
Bye-bye.
Come here. Come see Mimi.
come here. Don't let him get it.
Toesies.
Oh my goodness.
Toesies.
You got mud all over your head.
Wash your hands in the water.
It's pretty deep in leaves in that thing.
Watch him.
I need to clean it out.
Come here, boy. Run! Run! He likes the water. He likes the water.
Look at all that mud on his head.
He
Hey.
did. Don't eat the rocks.
Throw it. Throw it.
Lord, she is so.
Oh, he does have mud all over his head. Oh,
You
Good.
okay?
Ah,
Oh,
It's
you
okay.
okay?
It's okay.
You might have got a little strawberry on your leg.
it's his hand.
Hold it hand.